everyone, welcome back. I have being part of the brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art, we do themed collabs every week. So this week's theme was chocolate for World Chocolate Day. So of course I'm going to be using some ℙℝ𝕆𝔻𝕼 gel polishes because they're amazing, and some Charlie's Nail Art supplies because, again, incredible. So I've grabbed Rosy Nude, Oracle and Spooky. I do end up grabbing Cottontail, but I'm not sure if I show you that. So I grabbed Oracle and I thought this was the perfect colour for like milk chocolate, isn't it? Oh my gosh, look at it. So that is going to have go over the thumbnail, and it's going to have 2 coats. Oh, and look what I did to my bloody palette. So I was mixing some colours and then I just left it on the windowsill for about half an hour and it cured in the sunshine. Don't know why I left it on my windowsill. I never do that. So I tried acetone, tried soaking it, it didn't work. So I ended up using my nail drill to file all the gel polish off that had cured on there. So it's covered in scratches, but I mean, it still works. It's still a palette. So I've grabbed Spooky and I've put a little bit of that on the palette, and I'm just going to create, you know, like a strawberry or a chocolate out of a box of chocolates. They have like drizzly bits, don't they, sometimes? So I thought I would try and recreate that a little bit with the milk chocolate one. Don't forget you can save money when you shop at ℙℝ𝕆𝔻𝕼, Charlie's Nail Art, anywhere. Check in the description box first if I haven't already listed it on the video, but the codes are Nail Room 10 for Charlie's and Little Nail Room 30 for ℙℝ𝕆𝕼. So I've grabbed some white spider gel. I tried to do this with gel polish, it didn't work, but spider gel to the rescue. So this is a Rosy Nude, and that's going to have 2 coats again. And then we're going to grab the Oracle, the gorgeous milk chocolate one, and create some gorgeous little drips, melting chocolate drips. See, I rarely film the collab designs that I do, but I think I'm going to start recording most of them now, because when I'm finished, before, like, I usually sit there and I'm like, I don't know what to do, haven't really got a design in my head, and then when I'm finished I'm like, these are so nice. So I think I'm just going to start recording everything, absolutely everything. Oh, and I have some news. If you've been on this channel before, you've seen some of the videos, you'll know my eldest daughter has trouble with nail biting. We've tried so many things to get her to stop from biting her nails, but we brought the Beetles nail tip kit and she's had that on for 2 weeks. And she hasn't bitten her nails. That is the longest time ever, and she is so happy. I did one infill 1 week in, and we're going to do another infill just to make sure there's no lifting, there's no dead skin, there's no hangnails that she can, you know, start putting into her mouth to get the urge or anything. So yeah, fingers crossed, it's working. It's amazing. So I've grabbed Cottontail and Spooky, and we're just going to create like some, like it'd be flaky bits or chunks or chips, chopped chips. Yeah, so I think when we are back off holiday, so in another 3 to 4 weeks, we're going to remove the whole set and have a look at her nails, and maybe I can record redoing her nails at some point as well. So I've done a whole nail in Cottontail and then another nail in the Spooky, so that reminds me of like dark chocolate. And we're going to do the exact same thing we did to the milk chocolate one, but instead on the milk chocolate we had dark chocolate and white chocolate squiggles. We're going to have milk chocolate and white chocolate squiggles on this one. So yes, she is doing really well with her nails. I don't know whether it's a combination of, you know, like less stress, less anxiety with being homeschooled. We're on like our 4th or 5th month now, so I feel like she might be a bit happier in herself, so there's less reason for her to bite, maybe, I don't know. Either way, whatever she is doing, it is working, so I'm very happy for her. So this is the Cottontail nail, and we're going to use the milky chocolate, what was it called, Oracle, and create a French. And then we're going to do the exact same thing like with the chocolate chunky chips with the cottontail and the spooky, and just create some weird dots all over it. And as well, is it normal to start packing 3 weeks before you go away? Started packing already. It's like 19 days left, 18 days when I'm filming, when I'm doing the voiceover, but I've started packing. I mean, it's been like, we haven't had a holiday for like 10 years, so I don't know whether that's normal to be packing so far in advance. I'm just excited, I suppose. Anyway, let's give that a cure. And that is that done. And then these are from Charlie's Nail Art Supply, the Pink Rose Cluster. And I think they're so cute. And I think it ties in the Charlie's Nail Art theme. It ties in the chocolate theme. We've added the pink because we've got the rosy nude. I love it. I think it works really well with this. I think it just adds the right amount of bling for some chocolate. Like if you have like a box of chocolates, you always have like a bow or something fancy. So I thought that could be our little fancy thing. And I've ended up using the Beatles glue gel, rhinestone glue gel. My McCart one in the tube, I don't know whether I've said, but I accidentally cured it without the lid on. So I'm going to have to fix that. But this is them all done, all top coated. I think I hit the brief of chocolate for World Chocolate Day and Charlie's Nail Art Supply theme. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget you can use any of the discount codes listed in the description box. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. I love to hear what you think, and if you have any suggestions as well for future nail art videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.